Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. There are many reasons people choose oatmeal as their morning meal over animal-based options such as eggs and bacon. Some eat oatmeal out of convenience, some enjoy the taste, and many believe oatmeal is a healthy breakfast option. This happens to your body if you eat oatmeal every day. Number 1. You might experience gastrointestinal pain if you eat too much fiber. While adding more oatmeal to your diet is generally a net positive, there are side effects to increasing the amount of fiber you eat. Eat around 28 grams of fiber per day. Eating too much fiber can lead to digestive issues too. Number 2. You could improve your cholesterol levels and regulate your blood sugar. Has your doctor ever told you that your cholesterol is too high? Eating 1.5 cups of oatmeal per day could lower your cholesterol by 5 to 8%. Furthermore, one study followed participants for 13 years, concluding that eating oatmeal instead of bread or eggs every day could lower the risk of stroke. And for diabetics, oatmeal's soluble fiber helps slow the absorption of the carbohydrates. Number 3. The fiber content could help with weight maintenance. Oatmeal contains a solid amount of soluble fiber. A cup of cooked oatmeal contains 4 grams of fiber. Adding another fiber-packed food, such as raspberries or blackberries, will boost the fiber content of your breakfast even further. The fiber in oatmeal helps you feel fuller faster and longer than fiber from other foods. That feeling of fullness and satiety could help some people manage their weight. Number 4. You'll benefit from important vitamins and minerals. Oatmeal provides a mix of vital nutrients, including magnesium, zinc, and iron. Magnesium is important for heart and brain health, while zinc aids the immune system, and iron boosts energy. Oatmeal is also a solid source of vitamin B6. A half-cup serving of oatmeal has the same amount of protein as one large egg, and there are countless ways to increase the protein content of your oatmeal by adding nuts, protein powder, nut butters, or milk. If you want an even bigger protein boost, try mixing an egg into your oatmeal. Number 5. It's all about the beta-glucan. The specific type of soluble fiber that oats contain is called beta-glucan. This type of fiber forms a gel-like substance when combined with liquid, and it can help improve your insulin response. Beta-glucan can lead to an increased feeling of fullness, and may help reduce blood sugar. One serving of rolled oats contains roughly 1 to 2 grams of beta-glucan. Number 6. How to eat more oatmeal. So, how do you go about integrating more oatmeal into your life? The first step is to choose an oat variety that suits your lifestyle. There are plenty of ways to make oatmeal taste better. Get creative with spices. Add a dollop of your favorite low-salt, low-sugar peanut butter. Throw a fried egg on top, or add fresh fruit. The options are endless, and you'll be eating a different meal every time. Whether you want to lower your cholesterol, improve IBS symptoms, or you just want a breakfast option that will keep you feeling full, eating oatmeal is a healthy, fiber-packed way to start your day. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.